Click on the link below to get price. The Alorair 180 PPD Commercial Dehumidifier is a powerful solution for those dealing with excess moisture in spaces like basements or warehouses. With a capacity of 180 pints per day, PPD, it excels in environments where humidity control is crucial, such as construction sites, storage areas, and even larger homes. One of the standout features of this dehumidifier is its built-in pump, which allows for continuous drainage. This means you can set it up in hard-to-reach places without worrying about manually emptying the water tank frequently. The pump efficiently removes water through a drain hose, making it a hassle-free experience, especially for long-term usage. The inclusion of a 20-foot drain hose only adds to its convenience, providing flexibility in positioning and placement. The design of the Alorair dehumidifier is robust yet compact, allowing it to fit seamlessly in tight spaces while still offering impressive functionality. It operates quietly, which is a significant advantage for residential settings or workplaces where noise can be disruptive. The digital control panel is user-friendly, allowing for easy adjustments and monitoring of humidity levels. Users will appreciate the automatic restart feature, which ensures that the unit resumes operation after a power outage, maintaining optimal conditions without manual intervention. In terms of energy efficiency, the Alorair dehumidifier is designed to operate efficiently, making it a cost-effective choice in the long run. It's also built with a durable housing that can withstand the rigors of commercial use, ensuring longevity and reliability. While the initial investment may be higher than smaller dehumidifiers, the Alorair 180 PPD proves to be a worthwhile investment for anyone needing serious moisture control. Overall, it combines power, efficiency, and ease of use, making it an excellent choice for anyone needing to combat high humidity levels in larger spaces. If you're seeking a reliable and effective dehumidification solution, the Alorair 180 PPD is certainly worth considering.